How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So open your Snapchat and then tap on the chat icon. From there, refresh your snap so that the snap can load. Now once it is loaded, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your airplane mode. Now tap on the snap and screenshot the snap of your preference. Now as you can see, I have done. On to the next step, we'll be removing the data of our Snapchat. For that, head back of Snap and go to the app info or settings, then open Snapchat from here. Now go to storage and cache and tap on clear cache and clear storage. By doing this, you have to log back to your account, and by doing this, the person will never be notified that you have taken a screenshot of your snap. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. And yes, this is a wrap for how to screenshot a snap without them knowing.